Hello students, how can we solve the value of x? Solution. Okay, in log 8 power x equal to, both sides I write log 800, so it will become equal to, by this rule, log m power p equal to p log m power log m. Okay, x log 8 will equal to log 800. Both sides divided by log 8, and here I divide log 8. Okay, this log 8 cancel with this log 8, so here will remain x equal to log 800 divided by log 8. Okay, this in the form of log x equal to log, I can write this 800 equal to 100 multiplied by 8, so 8 multiply 100 divided by log 8. So by this, log a multiplied by b, log a plus log b, so this is log a plus log b. This is the logarithmic rule, so this will become equal to log 8 plus log 100 whole divide log 8. So this can be written as x will become equal to log 8 divided by log 8, okay, plus log 100 divided by log 8. Okay, it becomes x equal to log 8 cancel with log 8, 1 plus log, I can write 100 in 25 multiply by 4, which is 100 log 8. Okay, this can be written as 1 plus log 25 plus log 4 by this method. Okay, so divide by whole divide log 8. This will become x equal to 1 plus log 4, I can write log 4 as log 4 is 2 power 2 plus log 25 is 5 power 2 whole divided by log 2 power 3. X equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 divided by 3 log 2, which is this, plus 2 log 5 divided by 3 log 2. This will become again x equal to, x will become equal to, this log cancel with this, okay, so 2 divided by 3, it will become 2, 1 plus 2 divided by 3 plus 2 log 5 divided by 3 log 8, 3 log 2, sorry, 3 log. I take LCM of this term, it will become x equal to 5 divided by 3, okay, plus 2 log 5, I can write it as 2 log 5 divided by log 2 it will become log base will be 2 5. Okay, by this logarithmic rule, log a log b, so log b power log b base b and a. Okay, like this. So this will become 2 divided by 3 log 2 5. Okay, so if I take LCM of this whole LCM, so it will become 5 plus 2 log 2 5 all divided by 3. Okay, so this will be the value of x. Okay, now we will check that is my answer is right or wrong, this x value is right or wrong. So I will take this equation again, this 8, at the place of x I will write this value. So 8 power 5 plus 2 log 2 power 5 all divided by 3, which is equal to 800. Okay, this will be the check. Okay, so I can write 8 to power 3. Okay, so 5 plus 2 log 2 power 2 5 base 2 5 3 equal to 800. Okay, so this will cancel with this, so 2 power 5 plus 2 log 2 5 will equal to 800. By this rule, logarithmic rule, like this, a log a base b, so it will become equal to b. 2 power 5 plus 2 power 2 log 2 power 5 base 2 5 equal to 800. So 2 power 5 will become equal to 32, plus I can write this whole 2 power log base 2 5 square equal to 800. Okay, so by this rule a log a power base a b will be equal to b. So this is my b term, this is my a term, and this is also my a term, so it will become equal to 2 power 5. So this 32 plus, sorry, it is multiplied, it would be multiplied because it is in power, so it will become multiplied by 2, this 5 power 2 equal to 800. Okay, so 32 multiplied by 2 power 5 is 25 equal to 800. So it will become equal to 800 will equal to 800. It means that the value of x is right. It is right because left hand side and right hand side are equal.